Mmm. Yummy.
Hi everyone! Hi mga loves! This is Maricel here again. I hope everyone is well. In today's video, I would like to share to you this kind of recipe. It's a little twist, I believe. As you could see, I have the jalapenos here. So to make the story short, almost 2 weeks ago, I tried the jalapeno peppers for the very first time, and surprisingly, I love it. It's really good. I'm not really into spicy person, like really hot. A little kind of thingy thing or a little spicy is fine for me. So anyways, I have here a mixture of the chicken egg rolls that I made several days ago. This is gonna be the second batch because I didn't wrap it all, if you remember. If you would like to know, for those who's new here to my channel, hi, my name is Maricel. Welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. That means a lot to me if you could make it. So anyways, this is the chicken egg rolls here, and this is the wrappers that we're gonna be using, the egg roll wrappers. And we need also, I just use 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and a combination of the breadcrumbs, and I have like half a cup of the mozzarella right here. So today I am going to make a, how should I call this? This is just like stuffed jalapenos chicken egg rolls. However, we're gonna call this recipe. So all I have to do is I already washed and cleaned the jalapenos. I'll just have to cut it and then just take out the seed, and we're going to stuff our egg rolls, chicken egg rolls mixture in here. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that in just a minute. So here mga loves, I already did the 3 piece of the jalapenos. So it's open already and there's no seed anymore. So what I did, I just cut it like length size, and then you slice in here like letter T, and you just took the seed out from there like that. So I'm going to do, this is the last piece. This is supposed to be 6 pieces, guys, and I'm the only one gonna be eating this. I used couple piece for my sinigang a few days ago. I made a pork rib sinigang a few days ago, and I decided to use a jalapeno, so there's flavor and it's a little spicy, and it turns out perfect. So like that, you see. So I'm just gonna clean it with water and let it dry. All right, loves, so all our jalapenos is clean and dry right now, and it's ready to stuff inside. So all we have to do is take a mixture of these chicken egg rolls. By the way, mga loves, if you love jalapenos or a jalapeno lover, you would love this recipe, I believe. So the reason why I'm using all-purpose flour here and the breadcrumbs, because I want it extra crunchy with this wrapper here. So you stuff the mixture in there, and I know there will be a little extra mixture after these 4 jalapenos be ready. So I'm just gonna make an, you know, a traditional chicken egg rolls, just wrap around with the wrapper there. And now like that, so you push it in, and just took some of the mozzarella. So you just stuff the mozzarella inside. Make sure your hand is clean and you wash your hand thoroughly. I prefer to use my hand, mga loves, if I'm here in my kitchen. It makes more home and genuine doing it. I mean, using gloves is fine as well. So here it's stuffed already inside. You just push close a little bit, and now let's grab one of our egg roll wrapper. So again, I am using an egg white. In terms of making egg rolls, mga loves, I don't use water. I use egg white because I found it more secured with our egg rolls to make sure that it stays in place. So you put it like that. You just wrap it like that. You sealed it with the egg white. You make sure the stem of the jalapenos is sticking out. And you put some egg white on the edge as well. And you tuck it in. There you go. And you just have to follow the rest of it. There's 3 left in here. So let me show it to you one more time how to wrap it. So the egg rolls, chicken egg rolls, make sure it's inside already with the mozzarella. So you put egg white on the edge here. So we have to put do the like the shape, the diamond shape, and you wrap it around like that. You make sure that you try this stem sticking out. Just find your way to wrap it around, and then seal it with the egg white again, rolled a little bit, and then put an egg white again like that, and then tuck it in and just roll it until you reach the very end, and then seal it with the egg white. There you go, like that, see? And then you just dip in here with the all-purpose flour with breadcrumbs. There you go. So we made 4 pieces right here so far, and I still have some of the chicken egg rolls here, and I'm just gonna wrap it with the wrapper as a regular chicken egg roll. So for those who's new here, or if you would like to see the how I made my version of my chicken egg rolls, I'm going to place the link below of that video that I made or I created several days ago. So here mga loves, I have the oil preheated already and it's ready. Remember, I told you the technique of making it extra crunchy. While you're preheating your oil, you put a little drop of the vinegar. So by the way, I made out 6 pieces of the regular egg rolls here. And then I'm going to cook first our stuffed jalapeno chicken egg rolls. I think that's what I'm gonna call like. So I'm going to put here probably just 2 at a time, and I'm going to put it like between 3 to 4 minutes each side. So this is the last batch, mga loves. Look, it comes up with a rich golden brown color. So yeah, I did it like between 4 to 5 minutes, not 3 to 4 minutes. So you have to make sure that you put a paper towel on your plate to soak up the oil. Now I'm frying just the regular egg rolls here. I'm just making 2, and the ready-made I put it back to the freezer. Alright loves, here is my recipe. Our stuffed jalapeno chicken egg rolls. Look at that. I could tell it's very crispy, and I finally got a chili sauce. There we go, mga unta, mga loves. Alright mga palangga, let's eat. Let's try it out. Can you hear that crunchiness? It's a little hot. My friend Mary Chris used to make jalapeno egg rolls, and the technique she said it needs to be like it's totally like it's not warm anymore. So here is the inside. It looks yummy. Okay, let me try it now. It's really good. It's not too spicy. It's just, you can taste the chicken egg rolls, a combination of jalapenos. You should try this at home. Okay, mga loves, I'm gonna finish this dinner off the camera. I hope you learned from this video today. And if you did like this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That would be so much mean to me. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. That means a lot as well. And I guess I will see you on my next one. Bye!